Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the 2 Cupcake Mockup in Pixlr. So go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com, and we're going to click this Playful Pixlr X option. And then we'll click Open Image to open up the mockup. And there will be different JPEG options. So pick the one that works for you, whether you need the topper or just a toothpick or neither one. And it's going to ask us if we want to resize the image. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original to open up this original size and then click Apply. And then we want to add our design. So we'll click the bottom icon on the left hand side that says Add Image when we hover over it. And then we'll click Browse to find the design on our computer, and then choose, and it'll ask us whether we want to create a new document or add it to the current document, so we'll click Add Current. And then once it puts it in the mockup, we'll just click on it and drag it into place. If you need to resize it, you can do that by holding down the Shift key to keep it proportional, and then just clicking and dragging any of the 4 corners, and you can click on it until you see the 4 arrow tool, and then just kind of click and drag it in place to move it. And then if you need to copy that, you can just right click or control click on the layer and then select Duplicate Layer, and then we'll just click and drag that into place. And once you're all done, you can just click this Save button at the bottom. And if you want to save it as a thumbnail, like for use on Etsy, you can save a JPEG version. So we'll just click the JPEG button and then change the quality to 100 and leave it on high, and then click Download. And it'll just let us know that the image was saved to the default download folder on our device, and it'll give us an option to change that if we want to. If you want to save a layered Pixlr document, you can come back and click the Save button again, and then select PXD and click Download again. And that's all there is to adding your design to the JPEG version of the 2 Cupcake Mockup in Pixlr. Please message me if you have any questions at melissabmockups.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.